I was trying to blow this balloon, but I was not able to do it at one stretch. I have to give it multiple times because it was new for me. It doesn't matter. There are many things which you can do it very perfectly, and which could be the same thing would be difficult for me, and what I am doing it might be difficult for some other person. Similarly, not even a single person who going to start or who has started not faced challenges, but yes, they overcome, they kept their consistency, they kept practicing, and they become the master of their field. We all know Usain Bolt, we all see Olympics. He is a great runner, and it's not like he is an expert, he was born expert. No, he was born similarly like as you born or me myself has born, but he's able to perform there because he is consistent in his work, consistently practicing, continuously repeating the practice, going consistently, doing it on daily basis repeatedly, and hence he has become expert. And hence when we see him, he is able to perform on the dice because he is doing it on repeated basis. We all know Milkha Singh, Mary Kom, Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani or Ritesh Agarwal. They are masters of their field. Why? Because they has mastered their challenges. Even they started with lot of difficulties, but now when we see performing them, we feel it so great. We think like it's easy, everyone can do it. But do you really think so? What you might be doing it expertly, very calmly, I cannot do it. What I am doing it might be difficult for some other person. Now I am creating this video and I have practiced a lot. You can click on this I button and see my first video, where I was and where I have came right now. And still, after so much of practice, I am still under improving stage, still under learning phase. Guys, just take this attitude. If I can, I will. This motivation will always keep you going, will always keep you under the pressure to improve yourself. And this is how people win. This is how people become champion of their market. It's not like it's easy for everyone. If I can do it, if any one person in this world is doing it, surely you will be able to do it. Thank you.